Join us for Lok Sewa Aayog exam preparation, over 50,000 questions and their answers with appropriate reasons and solutions.
Question number 1. Which of the following printer works like a photocopying machine? A. Inkjet printer. B. Bubble printer. C. Laser printer. D. Band printer. And the correct answer is C. Laser printer.
Because a laser printer works like a photocopying machine by using a laser beam to create an electrostatic image on a rotating drum. Toner powder sticks to the drum's charged areas and is then transferred to paper and fused using heat, resulting in quick and high-quality prints. This process is very similar to how photocopiers operate, where A. Inkjet printer. This option is incorrect because an inkjet printer sprays tiny droplets of ink directly onto paper without involving laser or electrostatic processes like a photocopier. B. Bubble printer. This option is incorrect because a bubble printer or bubble jet printer uses heated ink bubbles to eject ink onto paper, not a laser-based process like that of a photocopying machine. D. Band printer. This option is incorrect because a band printer uses mechanical impact to strike an inked ribbon against paper, which is different from the non-impact laser-based method used in photocopying.
Question number 2. The printing speed of laser printer for microcomputer is about A. 4 to 400 page per minute. B. 4 to 200 page per minute. C. 4 to 100 page per minute. D. 4 to 32 page per minute. And the correct answer is D. 4 to 32 page per minute.
Because the typical printing speed of a laser printer designed for microcomputers, personal computers, ranges from 4 to 32 pages per minute, ppm. These printers are built for smaller workloads compared to large commercial machines, balancing speed, efficiency, and cost for personal or office use, where A. 4 to 400 pages per minute. This option is incorrect because 400 pages per minute is an extremely high speed, usually achieved only by large industrial or production printers, not by microcomputer laser printers. B. 4 to 200 pages per minute. This option is incorrect because 200 pages per minute is also much faster than the capacity of typical personal or office laser printers. C. 4 to 100 pages per minute. This option is incorrect because although 100 pages per minute might be achievable by some high-end enterprise printers, it exceeds the normal range for standard microcomputer connected laser printers.
Question number 3. Which of the following printer uses as a special heat-sensitive waxy paper for printing output? A. Inkjet printer. B. Bubble printer. C. Thermal printer. D. Electrostatic printer. And the correct answer is C. Thermal printer.
Because a thermal printer uses a special heat-sensitive waxy paper for printing output. The printer selectively heats the paper, causing the specially coated surface to darken in the heated areas to produce text or images. This method is widely used in devices like cash registers, ATMs, and ticketing machines because of its speed and quiet operation. Where A. Inkjet printer. This option is incorrect because an inkjet printer sprays liquid ink directly onto standard paper and does not use heat-sensitive waxy paper. B. Bubble printer. This option is incorrect because a bubble printer, a type of inkjet printer, uses tiny heated bubbles to propel ink onto regular paper, not waxy or heat-sensitive paper. D. Electrostatic printer. This option is incorrect because an electrostatic printer uses electrostatic charges to attract toner particles onto paper, similar to photocopying methods, not by heating special waxy paper.
Question number 4. How many types of plotter are there? A. 2. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. And the correct answer is A. 2.
Because there are two main types of plotters, drum plotters and flatbed plotters. Drum plotters move the paper over a rotating drum while the pen moves side to side to create the drawing. Flatbed plotters keep the paper stationary on a flat surface while the pen moves in both horizontal and vertical directions to draw images. These two types cover the basic mechanisms used for plotting large-scale graphics such as engineering drawings and architectural blueprints, where B. 4. This option is incorrect because there are not 4 primary types. The main classification is only 2, based on the movement of paper and pen. C. 5. This option is incorrect because 5 types would involve overextending into minor variations or brand-specific designs, which are not categorized as main types. 6. This option is incorrect because 6 types suggest a broader classification that is not standard. The commonly accepted division remains 2, drum and flatbed plotters.
Question number 5. Which of the following output device is used to print continuous output such as to track an earthquake? A. Flatbed plotter. B. Thermal printer. C. Drum plotter. D. Laser printer. And the correct answer is C. Drum plotter.
Because a drum plotter is ideal for printing continuous output like tracking earthquake activity because it moves paper around a rotating drum while the pen creates continuous real-time graphical output. This makes it perfect for recording long-duration data like seismic waves, where A. Flatbed plotter. This option is incorrect because flatbed plotters are used for static, high-precision drawings and not suited for continuous data recording. The letter B. Thermal printer. This option is incorrect because thermal printers are used for fast, short prints like receipts or barcodes, not for continuous plotting. D. Laser printer. This option is incorrect because laser printers are used for page-by-page printing and cannot provide continuous, real-time output needed for tracking events like earthquakes.
Question number 6. Which of the following task is not related to preliminary investigation? A. System identification. B. System analysis. C. System scope. D. Feasibility study. And the correct answer is B. System analysis.
Because system analysis is a task that typically comes after the preliminary investigation phase. During preliminary investigation, the goal is to understand the system's basic functions, its scope, and its feasibility. But detailed system analysis, such as examining system components in depth, comes later in the process. Where A. System identification. This option is related because identifying the system is one of the first steps in a preliminary investigation to understand what is being investigated. C. System scope. This option is related because defining the system scope helps to determine what will and will not be included in the investigation, which is part of the preliminary stage. D. Feasibility study. This option is related because conducting a feasibility study is crucial in the preliminary phase to assess whether the system can be implemented based on technical, economic, and operational factors.
Question number 7. Which of the following is the first phase of System Development Lifecycle, SDLC? A. System analysis. B. Design. C. Preliminary investigation coding. D. Maintaining. And the correct answer is C. Preliminary investigation.
Because the preliminary investigation phase is the first step in the SDLC. During this phase, the feasibility and scope of the system are explored, the system's requirements are gathered, and a decision is made on whether the system should be developed. Where A. System analysis. This option is incorrect because system analysis comes after the preliminary investigation, where a detailed analysis of the system's requirements and components is performed. B. Design. This option is incorrect because the design phase comes after the system analysis. It involves creating the architecture of the system based on requirements. D. Maintaining. This option is incorrect because the maintenance phase occurs after the system has been developed and implemented, where the system is updated, fixed, and monitored for continued performance.
Question number 8. A person responsible for the analysis of the system is known as A. Programmer. B. Software engineers. C. Analyst. D. IT manager. And the correct answer is C. Analyst.
Because an analyst is responsible for analyzing the system. Their job is to gather system requirements, assess the existing system, and design solutions to meet the needs of the organization. They play a crucial role in understanding the user requirements and translating them into specifications for the development team. Where A. Programmer. This option is incorrect because a programmer is responsible for writing and coding the software, not analyzing the system. B. Software engineers. This option is incorrect because software engineers are responsible for the design and development of software, but their focus is broader than just system analysis. D. IT manager. This option is incorrect because an IT manager oversees the overall IT infrastructure and team rather than specifically analyzing the system.
Question number 9. Which of the following is not an output device? A. Monitor. B. Plotter. C. Speaker. D. Scanner. And the correct answer is D. Scanner.
Because a scanner is an input device used to scan physical documents and convert them into digital formats. It is used for input, not output. Where A. Monitor. This option is incorrect because a monitor is an output device that displays the visual output from the computer. B. Plotter. This option is incorrect because a plotter is an output device used for producing high-precision drawings, typically in fields like engineering and architecture. C. Speaker. This option is incorrect because a speaker is an output device used to produce sound from the computer.
Question number 10. The video graphics card inside the computer is used for the output device. A. Speaker. B. Microphone. C. Monitor. D. Printer. And the correct answer is C. Monitor.
Because the video graphics card is responsible for processing and rendering graphics that are displayed on the monitor, making the monitor the output device that receives the processed image or video signals. Where Speaker. This option is incorrect because speakers are audio output devices not related to video or graphics rendering. B. Microphone. This option is incorrect because a microphone is an input device used to capture sound, not for displaying graphics. D. Printer. This option is incorrect because a printer is an output device that produces physical copies of documents, not related to video graphics rendering.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel to continue learning and preparation.